North Central Ocean County
Oh
in
my
southern
God.
New Jersey. Mercer County in central New Jersey.
Jeez.
North Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey. Western Monmouth County in central New Jersey. Southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey. Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodside, or near Trenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
35 miles?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source,
Oh, hell.
radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Old Bridge, Bensalem, Marlboro, Manalapan, Ewing, Florence, Bristol, Jamesburg, Highttown, Bordentown, Cranberry, Yardley, Newtown, Tullertown, Allentown, Linghorn, Roosevelt, Florence Roving, and East Freehold. This includes the following
Everyone
highways:
pray
New
for me.
Jersey Turnpike between exit 7 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 353 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 39 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 55 and 76. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southern, central, and northern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southern, central, and northern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
It cut. Oh shit, we have another. Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Oh shoot, life
Source,
threatening.
radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Trenton, Ewing, Burlington, Bristol, Highttown, Yardley, Newtown, Tullertown, Linghorn, Ireland, and Levittown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 58 and 66. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 8A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 8. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 38 and 40. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 351 and 359. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Hope that's it. Oh no! Triple header. Wow. Special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4:15 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Axel Carlson Reef, moving east at 25 knots.
Crazy.
Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Leonardo, Seagirt Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Atlantic Highlands, Mena, Swan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Sandy Hook Reef, and Fairhaven. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central and southern New Jersey and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Wow, triple header. This is huge.
The following
That
is
was
a flood watch
huge.
station.